Hello everyone, today we're gonna build a triangular shoe storage shelf. I bought two pieces of 8 feet, 2 by 2, and I will be cutting them into 4 pieces of 41 inches. So right on this table we have 4 pieces of 2 by 2. They are 41 inches each, and there will be the support for the triangle like this. These are 4 feet long 1 by 2 strip of furring. I will cut these into 4 pieces of 11 inches long, and they will be the horizontal support for the shelf. This is going to be a top shelf for the shoe rack, but it's 6 feet and I want the top to be 4 feet. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it into 4 feet at this point. These are all the material that we need for the project. We got 4 pieces of 41 inches 2 by 2. Here. You can get at Home Depot. And these are 4 pieces of 11 inches 1 by 2. These will be the horizontal support for your shelf. And we have the top shelf. This one is 4 feet, and it will be the top shelf. This one right here is 6 feet, and it will be the bottom shelf. I also bought a pack of mending plate, a pack of wood screw, and then a pack of corner bases. We're going to mark a line on each one at 13 inches and 29 inches. After we mark the line at 13 inches and 29 inches on each 4x4, we're going to go ahead and put the top of each 1x2 at the line, on the line. And then we're going to go ahead and drill it in and screw it together. We're going to end up with 2 ladders, so they look like these. And then next step will be putting them together so that they form a pyramid like this. We got a 60-degree angle right here, and you just put it at the base of 2 ladders, the point of contact. And once it forms a 60-degree, you're gonna put the corner brace on both sides and screw them in. Here we have a fully built ladder pyramid, and we are going to go ahead and slide the 2 shelves under the 2 brackets that support. We're going to try to have the same overhang on both sides, so so that it's balanced. That's the 6 feet, and this one is the 4 feet shelf. I'm gonna put on the top. Yeah, look balanced. After you put on the two shelves, they're gonna be moving horizontally like this. You don't want that. You want them to stay fixed to the shelf and not moving. So we're gonna use the corner braces, use L bracket to hold them in place. And we are done. Dude, we have a shoe rack.